Woodlands, helping out my buddy Kevin with his HammerHead dive show, DEMA, at the convention center. Show you the Airbnb we're at. A few of his workers, 4 or 5 employees helping out. Yeah, so these are the bedrooms. 2 here, big bathroom here, closet. Look at this. There's a toilet here. Look at this bathroom. It's beautiful. A lot of money went into renovating this old houses. Nice tub. A little bit small for me, 6'4", but it's got a nice rainfall shower from the ceiling. Really well done. Kind of an old home, old bones, but remodeled pretty nicely. Very close to the other properties, front and back. There's like hardly. There's a big bedroom. No bathroom. Washer and dryer. Another bedroom. No, sorry, this is a bathroom. And then a double here. Kind of nice. I think there's a closet over there. Nice artwork. See what the front looks like. Yeah. So, what do we have? 3 bedrooms, I think? 4. Wait, I need my glasses. Okay. Hardwood floors. Stain is a little bit darker than what I would, but I probably would lighten it up a little bit. Create a little bit more lighting, especially at night. Hey, you're on YouTube. Woo! Last DEMA day. Got a little backyard here. Neighbor's got a little tiny pool. Big kitchen. Bathroom, shower. There's another bedroom here downstairs? Oh wow. So there's 5 bedrooms. You gonna lock it up?
Yeah.
Really cool colors on his house. Very nice garden. Pretty cool street.
Hey guys, this is Neil from the Underwater Photography Guide and Underwater Photo. I'm here today with Andrew from ProShot, and he's got an awesome new iPhone housing. So Andrew's gonna go through it.
ProShot case housing. It's compatible with all iPhones from the iPhone 6 to the newest iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's waterproof to 40 meters or 130 feet. It comes with a floating hand grip. It's compatible with 3 different types of red filters. We have red, pink, and magenta. And one of the coolest parts is it's very easy to use.
Thank you so much.
I'm so excited for you.
Awesome.
Do you need a
You're
bag?
probably familiar with that
Yeah. Oh.
Why not, right? Extra use.
film on the inside.
I like all your beads. Very appropriate.
Yeah, I got me a great case. My phone's so light. Been really looking for a very light phone case.
Get this thing kicked off. I'm a minute early. Somebody's going to come up at 4:02 and yell at me. Our hardcore crowd out here. I did not expect this many people still here today. We love it. This is one of our favorite shows. So stoked to be back here at DEMA with all of you guys. We know we sold out on the 2nd day of the show. We know that you guys are in the market and we're bringing plenty more next year. If you guys are in the market, we just launched our Black Friday deal today. So you can pick up the camera at a discount with an accessory bundle on GoPro.com, or just go to your local dive shop. That's what we like even better. Is my winner here? Yeah! You guys know the drill. You got to be present to win. You cannot claim it for your coworker or anybody else who left on a flight earlier today. Those are the rules. Hero 12 Black Edition. My winner's here. Stand by, my app closed. And the beer's flowing too? All right, here we go. Adam Hall. Adam Hall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no. Not this again like yesterday. I asked if my winner was here.
Still here?
Mary Shodipo. Mary Shodipo? I butchered that name, I'm pretty sure. All right, our last winner of the week, or should we do one more? We'll do one more. I told you guys one, but you guys are great, so we're gonna do another one. Let me get a GoPro count of 3 as loud as you guys can. 1, 2, 3. I love it. I love it. Martin Van Gestel. It's always over there. Why is that the case? Anyways, that is the final camera of the weekend. Thank you so much for coming out and hanging out with us all week long.
How much is your entry model?
$1,800.
Yeah, that's about right. How many hours?
200 minutes. It's 2 or 3 days.
3 hours. That's nice. Do they stay in the water at a certain depth? Like if I leave them, because I'm a spearfisher, I need my hands to go kill a fish.
Right.
Will it stay nearby?
You can trim it as neutral as you want.
Okay. Okay. I mean the current's gonna move them,
so
but
it's up. I mean,
yeah.
This model right here,
Yeah.
and any of these models, you can. It's up to you to fine tune it
To where you want it.
where you want it. Yes.
What I would love is, as a spearfisherman, is to have a chip or computer on there to stay around. If I stop here, I let it loose over here, and I move, I have to go stalk a fish. But it follows me. When you make it happen, I want.
But you have a token.
I want a commission.
Remember, you remember it's attached to you. It's attached to you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can. Most people, you can just throw it between your legs and it'll float behind you.
Okay.
Or if you put it.
Yeah.
All right.
Because
Like,
the thrust that it generates, you can't. It's too much to hold, right?
Right.
This guy's 60 pounds. This guy's 105. So you don't physically hold them when you have a token.
Right.
So you're scootering. So you're like.
steering.
You're scootering and steering, so you would be going down,
Okay.
and then you would probably let it go.
Yes.
Do your thing, and it would float right.
And then if I move, it'll come with me
Well, it's on a token.
on the leach.
And there's plenty of people that do that, like guitar.
They do
It's
it?
really, really popular. Yeah.
Yeah. And it won't get caught in our. That the other thing too is.
There's
So,
always a learning curve to some of that.
Oh,
but just
always,
figuring
always.
it out where it all needs to be. That works
how we're
for
not
you
going to
and
get
how you-
caught. Yeah.
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 But I think that for the most part, if you know, like, it's just like
Yeah.
that testing a little bit of it.
Because we have so many lines. We got the float line. We've got the reel line. We have the DEMA shaft line out. Sometimes with fish wrapped up. But yeah, no, it would be great if you could do it
You're not
autonomously.
getting caught
like
up in it, then you.
no. Yeah. No. That's cool. Nice.
You get down deep really fast.
Yes, and coming up without it, we're free diving, so coming up, we can come up as fast as we want. And the fact that we don't have to use our legs to kick, we save so much oxygen.
They're
So
great.
I've used what they have over there, which,
With the Swiss? Or?
so I used to free dive in Hawaii way back, and there was an ex-Navy SEALs that developed what was called back then the jet boots. And he started with the 5-inch propellers on the ankles. This was like 2008, 9, 10. And then he moved them over to the, so I used,
Van Amazon was the guy who did
Who?
it. Van Amazon.
yeah. So now it's called a Patriot something or
Yeah. But
something like that.
Yeah.
And I've used that. And it was, I'll tell you, it was the most amazing day on the water.
These are even more powerful.
Yes. Well,
Way more powerful.
yeah, this will rip your mask off if you
Yes.
turn sideways.
Yes. Yeah.
But those things, that was like heaven. Yeah. You want to see it? Just picked up some Hawaiian lace, and I got my beads, my New Orleans beads. How cool is this? Oh my God, so tired. How cool is this? Look at this. They have a tunnel of water. It's like a wave. Can I walk through? Whoa, I'm getting wet. Dan, Divers Alert Network. Safety first. Always dive with a partner.
because the Stoneheads left. Okay. We gonna try it one more time. Y'all know Snoop about to quit smoking. That was breaking fucking news.
Oh, shut quick.
I swear to God, he's gonna quit right now. So we gonna do this shit for Snoop back when he was higher than a motherfucker. Right now. That part. We gonna bring this shit back. Yeah. We gonna bring it back for Snoop, y'all.
How cool, the balcony. This is where all the throwing beads. They throw all the beads, the parade, carnival, Mardi Gras. Famous Pat O'Brien's over there, that bar. It takes up a whole city block. It goes all the way to the other side. Nice balconies up here. And now we're going to one of my favorites, which is Dueling Pianos, Tickler's Bar. This place is amazing. Hey, it's Tony. Please help me grow my channel. I ask you to subscribe. Press on the subscribe button. The thumbs up is the like. And then the bell. The bell gives you a notification when I've uploaded a new video so you can watch new content. And then comment. Let me know what you like and dislike. Thank you so much for watching. Aloha.